How to create a custom lock screen on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to adjust the password page or the lock screen into a personalizable one or customizable one. So it is going to be with a very simple steps, so we are going to customize it and not create it from scratch, but basically because you cannot create it from scratch, and we are going to do the step here on Squarespace. So we are going to head over Squarespace, attend the account dashboard just like that, click on go to website to the website that you want to adjust the lock screen for, and then we are going to click on websites. On websites, you are going to find pages, and then we are going to find the system pages. So for the system pages, we are going to find the lock screen. Now, this is the lock screen. Basically, we can go ahead and set up the lock screen. As you can see, it is going to be this simple, this standard, but we can go ahead and click on change the layout. Maybe I'm going to have a little bit of a background image and also some names or titles at the end. As you can see, maybe some, let's say here, specific, as you can see, titles at the upper part. In the medial part, as you can see, we are going to have, for example, a name, and then we are going to have the lock, as you can see, field. And we can have a lot of, as you can see, lock screen, let's say, layouts. When you have changed the layout of the lock screen, you can go ahead and go back, and you can go ahead and start customizing the branding and text, the media, and the styles. Now, for the branding and text, it is going to contain the name of the organization or the website or the personal brand that you have. For example, this is going to be a name like that. You can go ahead and have, for example, I'm going to change the name like Jack, for example, Smith Store. And the headline, which is going to be like that, is going to be coming soon. For example, like that. I'm going to put like this. So the body is going to be dependent on the compartment or the number of compartment that the text is going to hold, or the background or the layout is going to be holding. As you can see here, we have three layout or three text holders that are held in here. So we can go ahead and put some modification, put it back or not. It is going to be up to you. But text is going to be more, as you can see, the body text is going to be more customizable than the headline or the text. You can insert instead of the text a logo if you want, and it is going to be something like that. You can, let's say here, display the lock icon, which is going to be put here or wherever it is going to be locked. So you're going to put it just like that. This is it. So you're going to click on save and be back right away. Now for the media, it is going to be about the image, the video, or nothing that you're going to have here. So if you're going to have an image, you can go ahead and upload an image. For example, I'm going to have this iPad image. Let's see if it is going to be fit. If not, you can go ahead and take the measurement of the screen, and you're going to put it just like that. So this is going to be the image. So you can go ahead also and put a focal point on the image, which is going to be very, very crucial. And you can go ahead and use the image editor. So you can go ahead and put the cropping of the image, so it is going to be adjusted as on the screen, just like that. You can instead add a video from a video URL, and or upload an image if the mobile fallback image is not going to be showing up like that. Now, we are going to finish our tutorial by checking up the styles that we have here. You are going to have a search bar for the, as you can see, styles. Like here we have the branding, font and colors, styles of them. The headline, we have the font that we can choose, for example. You can control the weight. Here we have the font itself. You can go ahead and have the number of, or upload some fonts in Squarespace as much as you want. Can control the size of it, bigger or smaller, the text transform, letter spacing, and etc. All are going to be here. So we have the body, the headline, the background, as you can see, color, the page border. You can go ahead and put some borders here, the imagery or for the auto overlay and auto loading, as you can see here. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in on the next one.